It's time for the review and unboxing of a keyboard so ballsy. It's called the keyboard. Yep, today we have the Das Keyboard Model S Ultimate Mechanical Keyboard. It's Cherry MX Blue switches, 104 key layout, German engineering. Gotta love those Germans, make sweet stuff. So we'll go through the unboxing today. I'll show you all the bits and pieces, and we'll do a typing test and a gaming test. Time to open up Das Keyboard. This is an official unboxing. I've never done this for myself even. Oof. The box a little bit there. Anyways, so let's take a look at this baby. The box and packaging is pretty smooth. I actually can't even get it out. There we go. Take the styrofoam off. Oh, you can already feel the switches. Ooh, that's beautiful. Let's take a look. There's not actually much it comes with other than that. Let's see, there's one-page manual, does not require any drivers. It's got that PS2 adapter. You can just get rid of that. And here is the actual unit itself. So, let's get a closer look at the Das Keyboard Ultimate S Edition. So it comes with a full 104 key layout, it has full N key rollover thanks to the PS2 adapter included in the box, and 6 key rollover you will use USB. The keys themselves are more of a dark gray, and they're against a shiny black piano finish, which doesn't pick up too many fingerprints, but even if it does, it's cool. Das Keyboard comes with a cloth. So the cord in this thing is really long, 2 meters, not 6 meters. And it terminates in 2 USB plugs. Time to get to the bottom of this thing. I kind of wish there were a routing option, but instead we get a very plain bottom with 2 flippy feet, so we can adjust the height of this thing a little bit. On the side of the keyboard you'll also notice 2 USB ports for syncing and charging, which work pretty well. So I would say it's time to address the elephant in the room. Yes, none of the keys on this keyboard are labeled, but frankly, if you're looking at buying a $140 keyboard and you need to look at the keys in order to type, well, I don't think you'd really be considering making that purchase. If we mosey on over to the right end of the keyboard, you'll notice we have 3 LEDs here for the numbs, cap, and scroll lock, which all look very good. They're very understated like most of the rest of the keyboard. One of my main visual gripes of the keyboard is this Das Keyboard label at the top. Well, everything else is very plain. I think having this label here, it doesn't really fit, but it's just a minor gripe. So overall, the keyboard is very nice. It has a very clean, simplistic look to it, and so far I'm a big fan. So let's move into the typing and gaming session, where I will include an audio sample of each. Okay, so here's an audio sample of the Das Keyboard Ultimate S Edition. So here we have an audio test of me playing a game, in this instance a first-person shooter. So all in all, Das Keyboard, great keyboard. It's the WDev seal of approval. The Cherry MX switches are really good, especially for typing. They were a little bit weird on the gaming. I noticed when you tried to do some quick movements with the keys, some double tapping in particular, they were a little bit difficult. Sometimes it didn't work the way I wanted to, but that's kind of what Reds are for. They're usually the gaming mechanical switch. But still, all in all, great keyboard, highly recommend it.